Lately, I've been thinking. I constantly use my cell phone and I constantly have to charge it. But where does that energy come from and how is it made? Well, today I've learned all about how that works and I'm going to share that with you. To start off, we have to know the initial source of energy or where that energy is made. This is an image of the Rance Tidal power station. It is located in Brittany, France, specifically in the town of Saint-Malo. This tidal plant uses tides and turbines to create energy. This diagram is a nice example of what this would look like. Tides rotate the blade of the turbine, which cause the copper wire inside of the box to rotate. This creates an electric field around the copper wire. There is also a permanent magnet inside of the box. The electric field of the copper wire and the magnetic field of the permanent magnet interact with each other, allowing electrons to flow. Or you could say, creating electricity. The electrons flow through the copper wire, creating an electrical current. All these things together are called a generator, and specifically a tidal generator. A generator converts mechanical potential energy to electrical energy. The electricity that flows out of the box goes to the substation, where electricity is regulated and where the transmission lines start. Transmission lines are a set of conductors used to move large quantities of electric power at high voltage. Transmission lines are usually over long distances, making it easier to lose power. The longer the wire, the more resistance, making it difficult to pass electrical currents to houses. This specific power plant doesn't have that issue, as it is able to supply electricity to over 300,000 homes. And how does that electricity enter my house? Transmission lines supply energy to a local electrical energy station, which supplies energy to homes within a mile distance, including mine. The electrical energy station converts AC energy from the transmission lines to DC energy for all the homes. Alternating current reverses direction, while direct current goes in one direction continuously. When I charge my phone, the transformer lowers the amount of volts that enter my phone, so there's just enough. Electrons flow through the wire in the cord of the charger to the battery in my phone, giving it energy. My phone uses DC energy, also known as direct current energy, which is provided directly from the electrical energy station. It's amazing to see how a simple tide and turbine can charge my phone. Environmentally, the Rance Tidal Station does have its benefits and limitations. Let's start with the benefits of tides. Tides are predictable, and the Rance River has high tides. That's why they built this power station in the specific river. The high predictability calls for good energy production. Now for the limitations of tides. Tidal energy is not a constant source of energy. There are only 2 tides a day, which is not helpful for generating energy. The predictability of the tides is a key factor to the success of the Rance Tidal power station. I've learned all about where the energy comes from so that I can charge my cell phone. And now you know too.